Assalamu alaikum. How are you, my dear students? Hope all you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Welcome to NIEPS Home School. This is Amir Uddin, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, Day Shift, National Ideal English Version School. Dear students, today I am going to take a math class for the students of class 4. And our today's topic is Chapter 10, C.B.Q. 2. Our today's lesson number 40. In this class, we will solve one C.B.Q. and our today's C.B.Q. number 2. At first, I am reading the question. You are told to hear the question carefully. Here the question is, the distance from Arun's house to his uncle's house is 9.8 kilometer. He walks 950 meter to the bus stop. Then he moves 6.5 kilometer on a bus. A number question, convert the distance between two houses in meter. B number question, how much distance does Arun travel on foot and by bus? And C number question, how long remains to go uncle's house? Express in kilometer. Okay, now we'll solve. At first we will solve A number questions. Here A number question is, convert the distance between two houses in meter. Here the distance between two houses already given and it is 9.8 kilometer. It is given in kilometer. We have to convert it into meter. Here distance between two houses is distance between two houses is distance between two houses equal to 9.8 kilometer. Now we have to convert it into meter. You know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. So for converting 9.8 kilometer to meter, we have to multiply this 9.8 by 1000. So 9.8 multiplication 1000, and now we have to write its meter. Now we have to multiply 1000 by 9.8. 1000 9.8. At first 8 zeros are 0, again 8 zeros are 0, again 8 zeros are 0, and 8 ones are 8. Now in second steps, in one place we have to give 0. Now 9 zeros are 0, 9 zeros are 0, again 9 zeros are 0, and 9 ones are 9. Now we have to add 0 plus 0 equal to 0, again 0 plus 0 equal to 0, 0 plus 0 equal to 0, and 8 plus 0 equal to 8 and 9. Now we have to put decimal sign. You are watching before one place. Here decimal sign exists. So we have to give also decimal sign before one place. Here it is the one place. Now before one place means this place we have to give decimal sign here. That means if we convert 9.8 kilometer to meter, it will be 9800 meter. 9800 meter. And this is the answer. Answer 9800 meter. Okay, we have finished A number. Now we will solve B number. Here B number question is, how much distance does Arun travel on foot and by bus? Here he walks 9.50 meter to the bus stop. 950 meter walks and 6.5 kilometer on bus. That means two information given, but one information given in meter and another given in kilometer. So for adding, we have to convert it into kilometer. B number, Arun travel on foot travels on foot is equal to 950 meter. Here he travel by bus 6.8 kilometer. It is given in kilometers, so we have to convert it also into kilometer. For converting, we know that 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. So if we want to convert it into kilometer, we have to divide it by 1000. 950 divided by 1000. Now we have to write here kilometer, not meter. Here we can write 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. Now here in denominators, after 1 here 30 exists. So after dividing, we have to give decimal sign before 3 place, because 30 exists, so we have to give 3 place before from 1 place. Here 1, 2, 3, that means in this place we have to give 0. So it will be 0.950 kilometer. Now Arun travels by bus 6.5 kilometer. Arun travels by bus equal to 6.5 kilometer. Now if we add 0.950 and 6.5 kilometer, then we can easily get how much distance does Arun travel on foot and by bus. Therefore Arun travels on foot and by bus. Arun travels on foot and by bus. Arun travels on foot and by bus equal to 0.950 plus 6.5. Here in this number, after decimal sign 3 place exists, so we also will give 3 place here. 1 place, 2 place and another place. Kilometer. Now if we add, then it will be 0 plus 0 equal to 0, 0 plus 5 equal to 5, and 5 plus 9 is equal to 14. From 14 we will write 4, carrying 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. Now before 3 place, 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3, before 3 place of 1th place digit you have to give decimal sign. This is 1 place digit, so 1, 2, 3, that means in this place we have to give decimal sign, and 7.450 kilometer. Answer will be 7.450 kilometer. Answer 7.450 kilometer. We have finished B number question. Now we will solve C number. Here the question is, how long remains to go uncle's house, expressed in kilometer. Here total distance 9.8 kilometer, and Arun travels on foot and by bus 7.450 kilometer. If we subtract this 7.450 from 9.8, then we can get how long remains to go uncle's house. C number. Distance from Arun house to his uncle's house. Distance between two houses. Distance between two houses is 9.8 kilometer. Arun travels on foot and by bus. Arun travel on foot and by bus. We have find out it's in B number. It's 7.450. 7.450. Now we have to subtract. Here after decimal sign 3 place exists, but here after decimal sign only 1 place exists, so we have to give another 2 place and we have to take 2 0. Now we have to subtract. Here 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. 0 minus 5 not possible, so we have to consider it as 10. Now 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. Now we have to consider it as 7. Now 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. Have to give decimal sign in the line of decimal sign. Now 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. So remaining distance, therefore remaining distance is equal to 2.350 kilometer, and answer will be 2.350 kilometer. Dear the students, we have finished our today's class. I hope you have understood today's class. Practice more and more at home. Stay safe, obey your parents' order. Thank you for watching the class. Allah Hafiz.